Welcome back to my channel. Please hit the notification bell and remember to subscribe. See you later. Tonight, midnight.
It's so cute. Today our Budgie toys have arrived. Can you get them? Get them out. Get them. Yeah. Okay, let's build this. I'm trying something. Let's try to build this. Oh, it's like that. So you got this climbing thing, swing thing that it goes like this, and then they just walk across it. And then you got this thing. That's a thing. You got this also thing that looks like this. There's a bell. Then you got this thing and more things.
I think that's too much for a little cage. Just put 2 things in.
Let's take all of them.
No, it's too much. It'll fill the cage up. I'll take the plastic thing out first. Now you can put the big hammock thing in. Budgies, are you excited? You're going to get toys.
More toys than this much. Get more toys for them. I'll try how to build this. Mine know how to build an extra.
No, leave that. Put one of those big things in, just 2 things.
No, put all of them in.
Oh, he's attacking it. He's a very aggressive, this Budgie.
Alright, then let's put this one on. It's not going to touch you, you're on the inside.
He's going to bite you.
Me?
What have you done? I'll have to tidy up afterwards. You've done it wrong. It's supposed to go across.
Why?
Unclip it.
Unclip it.
You've done it wrong.
Should've got to the other side, that's why.
Yeah, she's done it.
I've got your plans in my You body. Do it. My hands are now. Mine don't. Mine still
They're very strong clips. They don't come off easily.
Good.
Yeah, they're tough.
Move, let me do it.
I can't do it. My hands. Oh, it hurts.
There you go, one side and this side. Go back on. Alright, how you meant to put it this way?
It's supposed to go across.
Like that?
Yeah, like that, like a bridge.
So here and here. Right, let me do that then. Oh, it's hurting my back.
This is going to take a while.
Now make this.
Which one? We're going to put 2 in. No, let's put one of these. Put this one in with a bell. So they can climb up it then.
Put all of them in.
We'll put 3 then.
Not all of them.
It's going to fill up the cage.
What?
Cage is not that big.
Yes, it is. It went on my shoulder. I'll try to make this. Can I make this?
Excuse me. Not use that. I need 2 hands to do this. I didn't put it exactly where it's meant to be. Don't tell me this is wrong. Because my fingers are going to fall off. I'm going to break my nails.
Alright, leave that then. Just do what you can, then I'll fix it later.
I'll make this.
Put that one of those big things in.
Can I make this? I want to make this.
Ow! I've dented my finger. Excuse me, can you get off my hand? Thanks. Not on my shoulder. That just still seems wrong. But you know what? It doesn't matter. They're just budgies. They're not going to care. Can you get off now?
Now can you do these?
You made a right mess of that.
What did you
Let's do it closer.
How?
Not in the middle. Alright, don't matter. Let's put that big thing in.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Hang it.
Where?
I want to do this.
Here.
Here.
I want to do this.
Alright, you do that then.
Yes. I hang it.
You can hang that then.
I tried to take them out.
Right, come in now.
Wait, one more. Let her do one.
Final reveal.
Let her do one.
Fine, let's do one. You got your final reveal. Do it.
Then you can have a reveal and we see how the budgies.
Your new house tour. Go. Go on.
Which one should you get? Ooh, let's see the blue one.
Bells, they're gonna be ringing the bell. Oh, don't, what are you doing? Don't break it.
Was it like that?
Yeah, they go like this. Look, let go. And they clip on. You won't be able to clip it. Leave it, give it here. You won't be able to clip it.
Ooh, this is easy.
No, leave that. Just one. Which one do you want to put in? This or that?
All of them.
No, you can't put all of them.
I want
I'll put the bells in. Put it here out of the way.
Okay, let's do final reveal. You want your house tour?
Eliza, you put one budgie in.
Oh,
Give her one.
both do that. Thank you.
Wait, together.
How you can do it together?
Put one at a time quickly.
Get off my hand. Get off my hand then. See?
Your house. He looks full now. It's too full.
Don't leave it,
I
Liza.
need to do some pink. Look, oh, come here. Do some pink. Come here. No, I'm trying to go on the bridge. Go on the bridge.
Wait, move Limper on the way.
They're too scared. They'll have to get used to it.
They go in their own time. Did you know you can just go across
That's
the bridge?
3 toys and it's full.
Did they know?
Wait.
You can go across the bridge to get to that side, you know. You don't have to climb. There's a bridge, you know.
I'll tidy it up so it looks better.
What do you mean they love the new house?
They're scared.
Let me put you on the side.
Leave it. It's going to work its way. It's on the bridge.
It's it. Oh, so close, so far away. It was wobbling too much, so I got scared.
Don't you like new toys?
Stop, you just talked it was going to go on.
That's all the budgies toys in there. Now I'm going to get the budgie put them in. Come on. Okay,
So we put 4 toys and it's quite full.
Taste.
1 there, 2, 3, 4.
Get away. You just have to get this which.
Don't think enough space for 6.
You have best step. Okay. Look at you. Can you use that best step? So you got you, but you didn't come on. Jump up. Can't jump up. Get a food. Hey, where do you?
I have to catch the budgies. Yeah, I'll get this one. Come here. Come on into your new theme park.
People or sleigh. Ooh, it's not scary.
Here you go. He's going, where shall I go? You don't want to go in?
Come here. No, no. Don't be mean. You have to get mad. Imagine you.
You have to get used to the new toys.
Come. It's not that, by the way. It's not new, it's old. Remember when you went in? Okay, there you go.
So it's about 24 hours since we put the toys in and they were playing with them. I think there's too many toys in the cage, so I took one out and moved the other one around. Small cage. You're not playing with them yet, or not that I've seen. Have to get used. What I know is with budgies, it takes some time to get used to new stuff. Maybe a couple of days. They've been on the walkway They're not really touched anything else.
That was easy. Oh yeah, now what? Oh, this is so tall. 3, 2, 1. Yes! I won the 10,000. Great! Thanks, good teamwork. I figured out what you guys can do it. What'd you do, Steven? You failed. Yeah, what did I fail you? And by the way, guys, this is going to be the last time the Star Wagon looks like this because Mark from the supply shop is hooking it up with an awesome modification.
Santa hooked him up, so like he probably was just causing trouble. I don't know, what's he breeding? You're probably familiar with my stepbrother, but no, I'm a bit more wicked than his others.
Oh, God. I knew that. He's not the same as us.
Look like there. Sit down.